Boni Februari kita jong ki kena ki bayo top 10 ki badai jong ka class 12 commerce stream. Ini kadai nam ta ka Mekla Board of School Education Higher Secondary Section Limit Certificate Examination 2024. Kini kadai kita jong kena bat ki marks ki bayo rong ha ka kerdan top 10. Bankong Ferry Villa Risa 1 apo Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Shillong di total mark score kolong South Park New R Rajpal Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong total of South Park and reply and then Balai Gidon Langut Pankaj data from Laban Bengali Boys Pinky Kumari from Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong Aditya Prasad from Normal College Higher Secondary Section Tura. Total score of 458. And number 4 Don Arngut near Lina Bani Nongbri from Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong and Rian Surong Merthong from Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong, a total mark score of 454. And number 5 Ishua Kharsotun Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong, a total mark score of 451. And 6 Neha Paul Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong, total mark of 446. And 7 Diki Nongpulu Shillong College Higher Secondary School Shillong, 445 marks. And then number 8 Imazul Haq Laskar Laban Bengali Boy Higher School Shillong, 442. Number 9 Alpi Clarissa Warjari Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Shillong, 440 score marks. And number 10 Jack Jot Singh Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo, a total mark score of 438. Tang iwe giman nanangpo te baro kide be napo Shillong and then iwe ide napo Tura na po ka commerce stream. Te kidon ki bara Saint Anthony Saint Mon but Laban Bengali Boys kine ki don ki beyo Saint Anthony we are Lai Sao ngon po Saint Anthony then Saint Mary's Arngut dan Laban Bengali Boys Arngut dan Saint Edmunds Arngut. Kini gue beda mar way kibai rungaka top 10. Kita kini jemput kulai shubun.